Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video we have some links. So the link says swing trading and automation. So this is for those who want to grow their money 135% in 5 years. You can use my EA and do this on automation. If you want to talk to me, you can book consultation, check out the brokers here, and you can always join free Telegram. So do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are below the EMA. Okay, weekly we were below the EMA. Then we have this candle, and then in daily we are below the EMA, and in 4 hour we are slightly just above the EMA. Okay, so coming back to weekly, what I think is this is the sort of must be the sort of a new downtrend, because in weekly this low is broken. So we broke below the EMA. This is kind of a pullback, I believe. We have to assume that this is a pullback. So this is your new downtrend pullback before we go down. Coming back to Delhi, in Delhi we are still below the EMA, and 4 hours still above the EMA. Okay, so I think I would look for shorts. Okay, so this might go until the EMA first and then drop down, but more likely this week we should look for shorts, and that's all about it. So if you don't want to deal with this manually and you want to make money on automation, then check out the first link, subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take